Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Instagram to your WhatsApp business. So let's get started. The first step is open your Instagram, and you come to your profile picture. Sorry guys. Alright, so click on this profile picture, then you click on this your edit. On the you scroll up, click on the contact option, and you click on the WhatsApp business phone number, and this is it. Connect your WhatsApp business. So you're going to choose your number. If this number written here that I have connected on my contact option is the exactly number you're using for your WhatsApp, just click on this and you can click on it. But if you want to put a different phone number, click on this and you can see you are asked to put your WhatsApp phone number. So I'm going to put my WhatsApp phone number here now, because I'm using the different number to my calling and my WhatsApp. Now you're going to send code to that number now. So I think let me use this. Then you can send code, and this is it. They have sent code to my WhatsApp number. So you're going to, okay, you can see it is automatically confirming. Okay, so now once they send the code, they enter it, just go through the remaining process, and it is very simple. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.